Hey guys, so before getting into all of the polyrhythms, I'm going to just start off with a few simple patterns of pentatonic scales. They'll be grouped in twos, threes, and fours. From there we'll be able to combine those to make things that go over the bar line and work over odd meters and things like that. So here's the basis. Starting with the two-note patterns, I'm just going to skip a note going up, which you'll see in red, and then I'll skip a note going down in blue. And then continue this pattern throughout 2 octaves. You've maybe already practiced something like this before. Here's the same thing, but going up 3 and then going down 3. And then lastly, going up 4 and then down 4. After you have these down, I created 2 challenges. These are designed to help get them into your improvising so that you don't get stuck playing, say, a 2-note pattern over and over and you can't get out. For example, this first challenge is going to go from a 2 to a 3 to a 4-note grouping without any break. So in order to do these all in one breath, I'm going to have to play them pretty quick. The second challenge is designed to be able to switch between different keys, because when we're improvising, we're usually not just playing in one key or one chord over and over. So here, when I go up a note grouping, I'm also going to go up a half step. 2 up to 3 is going to go E flat up to E, and then when it goes 3 up to 4, I'm going to go E up to F. Once you get really comfortable with those, you can start combining different groupings. For example, I'll go up 3, down 2, and create a 5/8 pattern. Or to get back down, I'll go down 3, up 2. And I'll do the same thing to get a 7/8 pattern. I'll go up 4, down 3, and then switch at the top. And when you start combining these, you get more and more interesting polyrhythms. Now, finally, when you're totally comfortable with all of those things, try improvising with this stuff. Maybe try some over the bar line or odd time signature things. Here's an example of all the things you are in 7, the classic, and then I decided to do the 7-note pattern in C when it gets to C major 7, and then again in G when it gets to G major 7. So this should give us two chances to hear that pattern. Thanks so much for watching, and just a reminder, this is only the beginning with these polyrhythms. That 7-note pattern in 7 was still completely inside the bar line, so it can really start to get crazy when you put things over the bar line. Let me know if you want me to cover something like that next week, or if you have another idea you'd like to hear. I'm always happy to hear from all of you guys, and please hit subscribe if you want more stuff like this. Thanks for watching.